Good morning, you sexy people. It is Wednesday, 4:20 bitches. My parents flew in from LA this morning. Great. I'm also getting Botox today. Great. I'm also starting the day off unboxing some Skims PR. Great. It's a 9:45 a.m. I already went to my 8 a.m. I don't have any other classes today. My parents flew in from LA because I am officially apartment hunting in New York. My sister's moving here. I need to vacate my dorm by May 18th, so I need to have a place by May 18th. That's what's on the schedule today. I'm also getting Botox, but no, it's not gonna be on my face. I'm actually getting Botox for my underarm area. I have hyperhidrosis. If you've been following me, you know that I have a sweating condition where I excessively sweat. That's gonna be at 3. There's like an open house at 4:45. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it to that, and then I'll meet up with like my parents. I don't know, man. Just come along for the ride. We're starting the day off by making a TikTok of my Skims PR. I'm so excited. I'm getting a juice for breakfast. Oh, hey man, hey cutie. Thank you. I came to a little park and I'm sitting here drinking my juice. Gonna get grilled cheese because I fucking love grilled cheese. I was on the subway, so like I didn't really want to pull out my camera and start vlogging. I got off. I have to walk across the park to get to my appointment, and it's a perfect fucking day. Like, it's so nice outside, so I'm really glad I had an excuse to like come to Central Park. So a lot of people are just smoking. Cute. Is this her? This her. I also need to check if I'm going the right way.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. We just wrapped up the treatment. It was really quick. Anyway, let's go out. Dinner with the fam. Hey people, hey party people. What up my dogs? Oh, it's cloudy. Fun. Today is a very exciting day because it's my best friend's birthday. It's Amanda's birthday today, and every Thursday, me, Sarah, and Amanda, we go to Mud for brunch. Like, that's just our weekly ritual. Thursdays are Mud days, so we're starting off her birthday and Thursday right by going to Mud. We're meeting up in about like 45 minutes. Should we go for some hoops? Yeah! Let's go for some hoops, girl! I am so excited to move out so I can get a poster in my bathroom that says, "Go Piss Girl." I don't know why, but I really think that that's like top tier humor. Yeah, I'm sorry about it. This white button up is from Madewell. This black tank top is from Aritzia. This skirt, I got it from the Trading Post, so like I guess it's thrifted, but the brand is Volcom. And then my shoes are my Adidas Samba Rose. Clips are from Amazon. Earrings are from Sterling Forever. Bracelets are also from Sterling Forever. Tote bag is from Charcoal Clothing. En route to Mud. Sarah's giving us a haul.
This I've heard really good things about. This, I have no idea what it smells like. But I was like,
wait, which one is it? Oh, it smells really good. I have it.
she raves about these.
Yeah.
For you.
I didn't get you anything yet.
Okay, don't worry.
We are currently being influenced. Just kidding, I am currently being influenced. This is Gymshark's newest. Ooh, oh, who is she? Okay. She's fallen and she can't get up. Influenced by Life Alert.
downstairs getting flowers. Cute. Met up with the fam. We're gonna go to an open house right now. This is one house that we looked at, but this is way too small because they're going to put up a wall in the living room so they can make 2 rooms. So just imagine. And then like this is the other room.
Look at it.
Oh, are you a little mom pigeon? But I mean, it's like fairly new. The bathrooms are nice, and so are the appliances. This is another one. I mean, the kitchen's nice. It's just a window situation, and there's like no lighting, essentially. And the rooms, they're very tiny. Like, look at what the fuck is this? What is this? Nice little shower. I like the showers. The showers be looking nice. But like there's no good lighting. Very dark, very dark. Like if you were to turn off the lights, you know, like it's just very gray. Back in my dorm. It's 6:45. I'm just resting. I'm gonna eat like a little bit before I go out to dinner. So actually we have dinner plans at 8:30 because we're celebrating Amanda's birthday. We're gonna have a little dinner party with a few people. By few, I mean 8. So I'm gonna start getting ready for that soon. I'm just like relaxing. I walked around a lot today. Like seriously, I've been running around. Anyway, watching my show, eating my food, relaxing. This is what I be pulling up in. I kind of hate the jacket, but I don't know what else I can wear. And my Uber is here. Oh, message from driver, I've arrived. But I don't like my outfit, sir. What the fuck are we gonna do about that? Sweet. What? I got a bolognese. These are my Spanish playing cards. Courtesy of Brody.
Is this my first time in a no vlog? Am I supposed to say something incriminating?
I think so.
The twins. The twins.
What birthday's what? The birthday girl, say some more, birthday girl. Birthday
Thank you
girl.
guys for coming. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Thanks for coming to my birthday party. What does Barbie say? It's my birthday.
Hello. Got the avocado toast, French toast, fruit, lattes, more food, more lattes, yum. What up, fam? We've been walking for a really long time. This place is in Chelsea. It's not really in the area that I was looking for, but you gotta just take any opportunity you get. See you shortly when we arrive. I've been vlogging all day and my camera's been on the wrong setting this entire time.
This is Earth Day. This is Earth Day. Do you know Earth Day? Earth Day. Earth Day. Earth Day.
What the fuck? It's apartment hunting day. We just toured that apartment. It was not what we were looking for. I'm gonna go back home right now and like do my weekend homework because I don't want to deal with it like over the weekend. I really liked the first house we saw today. Like that was really good, really good.
Parents are so cute.
I got home, I ate a little bit of lunch. Now, hey. Guys, I'm trying to submit my application. Why won't don't you fucking pay? Oh, okay, this is why. Hey girl.
Hey,
Did you check your emails?
are we sure about this apartment?
Me and my PR packages. Let's unbox them. This is from My Mom Made It. We've got some cute goodies over here. Ooh, we've got this really cute ruched, kind of like, I want to say this is like mint green or like light blue. And then the matching top. That's going to be really easy to wear during the summer. Just like throw that on, call it a day. We've got some floral patterns incoming. Ooh, the back. Oh my God. Look at his dress. Look at the back. The back is open. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my God. Look at how cute this mini skirt is. This is so cute. And then there's the matching top in the same pattern. This is from Madewell. Yes, it's just a white button up, like a short sleeve white button up, but it's like slightly oversized. So I love wearing this like as a jacket, almost kind of like a cardigan situation on top of like small tops. It looks so cute. Okay, let's open one of these smaller ones. Where the fuck are my scissors, bro? My scissors, my scissors. Oh, it's right here. This is from Glow Recipe. They're one of my favorite skincare brands because most of their shit just works really well and I just vibes. Cute. Jaded London package. This was a purchase. I got these pants. I want to say they're like, they're not brown, but they're not black either. They're just like kind of like washed out brown black. I got the dress. The one that doesn't even look like a dress, but yeah, I got it. I will try this on. I'm very excited. Hopefully this fits. Thought it was great for going out. That's why I got it. Also just like to wear over bikinis. I decided to invest in a good pair of summer sandals, summer shoes. First one is like this nude, neutral colored like sandal, and it's like platformed. It's got that thick strap. Okay, these are the second one. These are like strappy black platform sandals. And I wanted to get like black and white because black and white just matches everything. Let's put it on. Hopefully it fits and it looks good. I mean, as of right now, they're fairly comfortable. This room is a mess now. I gotta clean up. Gonna do some homework, rest, and then I have dinner plans with my family at like 9:15. Bye.
Overtime. When you're with your parents, so you can Uber. You don't have to feel guilty. Hi.
Guys, dinner has been served. Look at this. We're at my favorite Italian restaurant.
Dessert in the house, tiramisu, and some strawberry something. I don't know. Looks good though.
Guys, we just got some great news. Currently at Lafayette, we're getting a brunch. We had a whole day of open houses to go to today, but when we were in the bathroom, we got a call from the building that we really liked, and we basically got approved for the place in like literally less than 24 hours. We're, I guess, canceling all the tours today, and we're going down to the leasing office at 4 to like sign all the papers. I'm just, what the hell? This is moving way too fast. Move-in date is May 7th. We should have like a little talking session because, I mean, dude, this is crazy. Like, who would have fucking thought? First and foremost, I mean, all I can say is just how thankful I am for you. I don't even have words. Like, I'm literally speechless because I don't even know what to feel. Like, I'm just over the moon. I'm ecstatic right now. I'm thrilled. This is just like a brand new chapter in my life. Like, a brand new chapter is about to start. I feel like this chapter hasn't even finished and we're already starting the first one. Like, I feel like I just moved to New York and I just started going to school here. It's like, whoa, I'm growing up and just getting old and doing adult shit, and it's like, whoa, like, slow down. But yeah, thanks. I love you. Thank you for bringing me here. What up, party people? It's 3:30. We're going to the leasing office. We have an appointment at 4. So I changed my top from my short sleeve to my white turtleneck because it was like kind of chilly. I never got to do an OTD. White turtleneck is from Zara. These pants are from Charcoal Clothing. My shoes are my Air Forces. I put on this black like sweater as a little accessory from We're Not Really Strangers. And that's the look. Guys, we in the apartment. So we didn't sign the lease yet because of some like paperwork or technicalities, I don't even know, but we're signing it on Monday because it's also the weekend, so the offices are closed tomorrow. But let me show you my new room. Okay, you enter via. Anyway, you enter. Bam. Ceiling to floor windows. It's a lot smaller than my old room, but like this is so much better than my old room, so no complaints. I'm thinking of like putting the bed here. I mean, there's not really any other place I can put it. So bed over there, bedside table, and then this is the view. Like, what, are you kidding? I'm waking up to this in the morning. Like, are you kidding me? Probably I'll put my mirror there, and there's like this little nook. Don't know what I would do with that, but like, I don't know, man. I'm excited to decorate. I'm excited. So that's my room, and then this is my bathroom. It's separate, but we get great light, great baths, even though I'm not really that big of a bath person. And then the mirrors, I love that there are 3. Pretty sure these open up, yeah. You've got your washer and dryer. This is the kitchen. Yeah, I think for dining, we would get like a little table here. Couch like that, TV probably there. This is like the terrace area, I think, of the building. That's the edge. Anyway, we ate some pizza.
Is that a restaurant?
Vlog.
Mask.
Yeah, I have everything.
Sarah Arrow. Bye, Sarah Arrow.